Part 3, number lines. The another name for the number line is an number array. So number line is nothing but it is the visual representation of an integer. How the integers are represented in the number line. That is the thing we are going to study here. So the 0 is represented as the middle numbers. That 0 is neither a positive or negative integers. So then positive integers are written in the right hand side. So the positive integers are not entered. There should be the infinity positive numbers are there. So here the arrow mark denoted that the positive integers are not entered. So the positive integers are denoted in this direction. So the positive directions are in the right hand side. So again in left hand side the negative integers are written. So again the negative integers are also not entered. So it will have negative infinity numbers are there. So that means the arrow mark denote. So the negative integers are not entered. It will be continued. So then the arrow mark denote the directions of the negative integers. So the direction of the negative integers are on the left hand side and the direction of the positive integers on the right hand side. So next we are going to see about the addition of integers on number line. So there is some certain rules we have to follow while adding two integers on the number line. For example, if we are going to add two integers, that is 2 plus minus 3. So what is the first step? Start at 0. Where we have to start? We have to start here. Start at 0. Face the positive direction. So which is the positive direction? Wherever the positive integers are denoted, that is the positive direction. So I am facing the positive directions. What is the step 3? Step forward for the positive integer. Now look at the integer. It is the positive integer. That means we have to move forward direction. That is the positive direction. So how many steps I have to move? I have to move 2 steps. 1, 2. So then I will reach the integer 2. So what is the fourth step? Step backward for the negative integer. Then move on to the next integer. It is the negative integers. So the number is a minus 3. So if it is a negative integer, we have to move backward. So what is the backward direction for this one? The backward direction is the negative integer. How many steps we have to move? We have to move 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So then we will reach the integer minus 1. The answer is a minus 1. Whenever see more example, it will be very clear for you. So the first example is an 5 plus 3 equal to. So here the two integers are the positive integers. So where we have to start? We have to start at 0. So what is the first integer? It is 5. So how many steps we have to move? We have to move to the 5 steps in the positive direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will reach the integer 5. So what is the next one? It is the operator, that is the positive operator. That means we have to look at the positive directions. So what is the next integer? That is the 3. So it is also a positive integer. That means we have to move forward. So how many steps we have to move forward? 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. Then we will reach the integer 8. So the answer here is an 8. Next example, 5 plus minus 3. So here one is the positive integer and another one is the negative integer. What is the step 1? We have to start at 0. We are starting here. So what is the first integer? It is the positive integer. So how many steps we have to move? We have to move the 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we reach the integer 5. So what is the operator here? It is the positive operator. So we have to look at the positive directions. So what is the next integer? It is minus 3. That means we have to move backward directions. What is the backward direction? It is the negative direction. So how many steps we have to move? We have to move 3 steps. So from here we have to move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So I will reach the integer 2. So the answer here is a 2. Next example is an minus 5 plus 3. So here one is the negative integer, another one is the positive integer. So what is the first rule? We have to start at 0. So what is the first integer? It is the negative integer. So I have to move to the negative direction. How many steps I have to move? I have to move the 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I reach the integer minus 5. What is the operator here? It is the positive operator. That means I have to look after the positive direction. So what is the next integer? It is the positive integer. So positive integer means I have to move forward. So how many steps I have to move forward? 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So I will reach the integer minus 2. So the answer here is the minus 2. So what is the next problem? Minus 5 plus minus 3. So both the integers are the negative integers. So what is the first rule? Where we have to start at a 0. So here we are starting at a 0. So what is the first integer? Minus 5. That means we have to move to the negative direction at 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will reach the integer minus 5. So what is the operator here? It is the positive operator. That means we have to look at the positive directions. What is the second integer? It is minus 3. Minus 3 means we have to move backward directions. What is the backward direction for this one? It is the negative direction. So we have to move, how many steps we have to move? We have to move 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So then we will reach the integer minus 8. So the answer here is a minus 8.